Hello aspirants, this is Divyank Srivastav and I welcome you all to the platform of Placement Adda 24/7, which is one-stop solution for your entire placement preparation, for your major hiring updates and internship opportunities out there. In this particular video, I am going to cover 5 of very exciting job opportunities. I request you to watch the whole video so that you are not going to miss any of the hiring information. Also, I will cover the whole registration process, discussing job roles and responsibility and further whatever qualifications that these organizations are demanding. Kindly follow our channel, subscribe it and do share it with your friends. Here you will get the regular updates regarding your internship opportunities and the hiring updates. So let us quickly move to the first hiring. तो यहाँ पे अगर बात करें तो it is from the Google and it is for the position of technical solutions consultant. जॉब लोकेशन इसमें बेंगलुरु होने वाली है एंड हैदराबाद फर्दर. अगर हम की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज की बात करें तो यहाँ पे वर्क विथ सेलर्स, पार्टनर्स एंड जीटेक एट सॉल्यूशंस स्पेशलिस्ट टू डेवलप डेटा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड ऑटोमेटेड solutions to deliver business insights for customer, utilize insight and measurement tools to add relevant trustworthy data to customer presentation and proposals to enable sale of Google Media Solutions. That is, तुम एक Google टीम के साथ में बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे वर्क करोगे. You have to analyze large and complex data sets, convert them into insights, enable solutions to drive customer business objectives and enable client decisions. तो ये तुम्हारी जॉब रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ होने वाली है, यानी कि तुम डेली क्या क्या तुम वर्क करोगे, व्हाट यू विल ब्रिंग टू द प्लेट इन द वर्किंग विद द गूगल. इसके साथ में रिक्वायरमेंट्स दैट दे आर आस्किंग फॉर बैचलर्स डिग्री और इक्विवेलेंट प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस इन एसक्यूएल, टेक्निकल डिजाइन, ट्रबल शूटिंग, स्टेक होल्डर मैनेजमेंट, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, पाइथन एंड डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन. सो इफ यू आर समवन हु इज possessing these skill sets as well as knowledge with the subject, you can definitely apply. Job location तुम्हारी बैंगलोर होने वाली है. Salary they haven't disclosed, but you can just make a calculation that you are going to work with the MNC and they are giving you a very good perks and salary structures. Job type तुम्हारी in office होगी. Job timings full time होगी. Work detail, it is a 5-day working experience, no prior experience is required. अब आते हैं कैसे अप्लाई करना है. तो डायरेक्ट ऑन स्टॉप प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये हायरिंग तुम्हें मिल जाएगी. यू कैन डायरेक्टली अप्लाई फ्रॉम द गिवन लिंक एंड ऑल्सो आई विल मेंशन द links of these particular hirings in the description box so that you can directly apply from there without any hustle. Second जो हमारी hiring है, it is from the Oracle Associate Test Automation Engineer. तुम्हारी प्रोफाइल होने वाली है and it is for the Bangalore campus. फर्दर अगर हम यहाँ पे जॉब रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज करें तो एज अ मेंबर ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट टीम फॉलोज स्टैंडर्ड प्रैक्टिसेस एंड प्रोसीजर्स टू एनालाइज सिचुएशंस, डेटा एंड प्रोवाइड quality work product to deliver functional and technical solutions. Work involves some problem solving with assistant, implements Oracle products and technology in various industries to meet customer specifications. Further अगर requirements की बात करें तो strong analytical and problem solving skills along with a good understanding of software development and testing methodology, SDLC and STLC. Basic knowledge in programming languages like Java, Python, SQL or others used in टेस्ट ऑटोमेशन फ्रेमवर्क्स. फर्दर अगर हम यहाँ पे जॉब लोकेशन बात करें तो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी फॉर बेंगलुरु. सैलरी दे हैवंट डिस्क्लोज बट दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग अ गुड सैलरी. जॉब टाइमिंग की बात करें तो इन ऑफिस एंड इट वुड बी फुल टाइम. देन वर्क डिटेल 5 डे वर्किंग होगा. एक्सपीरियंस नो प्रायर वर्क इज रिक्वायर्ड. डायरेक्ट आप यहाँ पे एलिजिबिलिटी पे अप्लाई नाउ पे जाके अप्लाई कर सकते हो एंड यू विल बी रीडायरेक्टेड टू अनदर पेज जहाँ पे तुम्हें पूरा रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म मिलेगा. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू fill all the details very carefully and once you submit with your application forms you will be just given all the further procedures through the mail. बहुत ज़्यादा हाई चांसेस है कि यहाँ पे मेल के थ्रू डायरेक्ट तुम्हें रिवर्ट आ जाएगा. सो अप्लाई एज सून एज पॉसिबल सो दैट यू कैन ग्रैब दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. इसके बाद अगर हम नेक्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी की बात करें तो इट इज़ फ्रॉम bigappcompany.com फॉर द पोजीशन ऑफ React.js इंजीनियर. बेंगलुरु जॉब लोकेशन होगी. एंड फर्दर अगर यहाँ पे रिक्वायरमेंट्स की बात करें तो मस्ट हैव हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस इन React.js एंड डिलीवर्ड प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन React.js एंड प्लेड की रोल familiarity with the Flux design pattern, then hands-on with the core web fundamentals. So you are supposed to have good fundamental like CS fundamentals knowledge. For the HTML, JavaScript, CSS, hands-on with CSS preprocessors like Sass or less. Then JavaScript अच्छे से आनी चाहिए. Front end framework like Foundation or Bootstrap, Ajax. Good communication skills is demanded from you guys, or startup experience is a plus. Like they are preferring a student who have a good understanding or a prior work experience in the startups. Additional information, job location is Bangalore. Salary they haven't disclosed. Work detail is 5-day working, no prior work experience is demanded. So यहाँ पे भी तुम्हें apply link मिल जाएगा, ठीक है. Directly you can apply and you will be forwarded with the further procedures through the mail. Next opportunity हमारी बिरला सॉफ्ट की तरफ से है for the position of database analyst. It is for the Madhya Pradesh and Pan India location. Also they have a position at the Tamil Nadu campus. Job description की बात करते हैं तो implement efficient ways of collecting data from various sources, review and analyze collected data to provide actionable insights to the management team, develop and maintain databases. तो ये further you can go through it, you can read it out. I will drop all the application forms along with their links in the description box. You can directly apply through it. Then अगर हम requirement की बात करें तो ability to work closely with stakeholders, ability to identify tools, high amount of experience in process and methodologies for managing large scale databases. तो further यहाँ पे salary they have quoted, they have mentioned, they are giving a handsome amount of salary. Minimum salary would be your 4.9 LPA, that is roughly somewhat around 41k, and maximum salary would extend up to 6.8 LPA, which is a very handsome amount. And along with that you are given an option of ESOPs. Then perks are very good in terms of medical insurance, transport, food and beverages. Then they have a work schedule of 5 days and no prior experience is required. Also you can just quickly apply from the given link. Already 3,471 students have applied. So just don't miss these opportunities. Apply as soon as possible to avail the maximum possible conversion. Your last opening is from EY, which is among the big 4, and it is one of the biggest MNCs. Entry level data analytics role in the Python focused staff level profile, and Kochi would be your base location. So if I talk about experience level, fresh candidates are welcome. If you are someone who has just graduated or in your final year, you have to surely apply for this position. इसके साथ में responsibilities की बात करें तो design and implement data analytics solutions, participate in the ETL process utilizing Python to manipulate and prepare data for analytics, assist in the creation of dashboards, conduct basic data analysis, work collaboratively with team to gather data requirement, contribute to the maintenance of data quality, document analytics workflows. अगर required skill set की बात करें कि क्या skills are relevant to grab this opportunity is strong foundational knowledge in Python programming for data analysis, familiarity with Power BI or a willingness to learn and develop skills, basic understanding of SQL and experience with the relation databases, analytical mindset with the ability to process. So these all were your work responsibilities. Also the things that we have discussed. If you are someone having a good knowledge about the skills that they have mentioned, you should definitely apply and grab this opportunity. I will post the link of all the opportunities that we have discussed in this particular session in the description box, so that without any hustle you can apply through the link. This was all about this particular session. If you found this particular video relevant and informational, you can share it among your friends and the class groups so that maximum student can avail the benefits of these opportunities. Thank you guys.